folks, this is View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called homemade salad. It's a very popular dish in northeast of China. Its Chinese name called 家常凉菜. The main ingredient we need is peas noodles, one bunch of peas noodles, and I mentioned this before, and 3 carrots, and 2 garlic, and a small Chinese cabbage, and 3 eggs. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. This is the rice noodles. We cut the rope, and throw the rope, and put the peas noodle, not rice noodle. We cut this peas noodles and put in a pot, and add the boiling water to it. Boiling water covers peas noodles, so we just let it soak and until we use. We just can put it back, put it last place and just let it soak. We cut the washed Chinese cabbage. This part we cut it off. And then we try to cut it like this way. So very thin, as thin as possible. So it be like this, very thin. And put it in the pot. Okay, we cut the carrots. This part off. This part off. We cut it like this. Very thin, as thin as possible. If you can't cut it very thin, you can use a tool. Tools to do it. I have tools to cut the very thin. Just like this, there we go. Very thin as possible. Here is the salad. If you have the cucumber, you also can cut some cucumber in. This is carrots. Okay, we make crack the eggs. With the salt, we add a pinch of salt to it, don't add too much. Okay, then we mix it. Mix well, the yellow part, the white part mix really well. We use this egg to make our paper egg. Because usually they use a paper tofu. It's tofu very thin as a paper that thin. But we can't have it. We can buy from Asian market, but it then looks very fresh. So I will use some paper egg to replace it. It tastes also good. Turn on the stove. Very on the low fire. Pot on. When the pot is hot and we use the non-sticky oil. If you don't have non-sticky oil, you can use get some vegetable oil, put it on the paper towel to rub on the pot so the pot won't become non-sticky. We just wait when the pot is hot enough. When the pot is hot, this is our mixed egg. We put some into it. Don't add too much. And you can move the pot. So that pot on. So here is the have some. We just add a little more. So make a paper egg. So we just wait. We can try to use that to make to the edge. The edge will. Then we just slowly, careful. If too hot, you just turn over. If you feel too hot, you can wear a glove, a cloth glove, but not very thin, not very thick to do this. We just wait. When the outside is cooked, then this paper egg is done. We make another one. Okay, careful. Okay, when the outside is done, yeah, we just dump it on a cutting board. We'll make another one. Add the egg to it. Yeah. Move the pot. Okay. Scattered egg used a lot in China, especially in my hometown, and we will make this in a lot of dishes. You will see we will use this egg. Okay, once you see the egg, it's cooked, and we just use this to go to the edge. Just wait. And slowly take it up and turn it over. Be careful, don't burn it. Okay, you see its egg is cooked. You can see the egg is cooked. You see it's cooked. And we put this on the cutting board. Another one. Just use this to get the rest of the egg. Kids really love this egg and they eat this. I make this usually they eat this as a snack. So you just wait once the edge is dry and it is near most cooked, then you can turn over. Okay, this egg is cooked. We turn off the stove and put this egg on the cutting board. Okay, the eggs is 3 eggs, and on the cutting board, then we cut it. We just cut it 40 like this, because we will try to want this egg be long, looks very long. So we just cut it like this, very thin, as thin as possible. So it will be like a noodles. So you can see it looks a lot like noodles. So we add to our salad on top of the salad. So it will be like this. It looks beautiful. Okay, we transport the salad into this big mix bowl. Then we cut the rice noodles. The rice noodles is soaked, so we will cut it. The drain the water, the peas noodle, not rice noodle. I always say wrong. Peas noodles. We drain the water and use a cold tap water, rinse it. Then we will cut it. We put it on the cutting board. Because this rice noodle is too long, so we try to cut it so it won't too long. This one we just cut probably just from middle. I think that's enough. Then we add it to the pot. Yeah, we want to mix it until before we eat. We mix it, because if you make too early, a lot of water will come out from the vegetables, and this dish they won't taste very crunchy, especially the Chinese cabbage. So we just wait before we eat it. We will mix it. We use a plastic wrap to cover it, and then we put it in the fridge. Then we will add the salt, garlic, and soy sauce, those kind of seasoning before we eat. Right now we just put it in the fridge to keep it fresh. Okay, we add 2 garlic into it. You can smash it with a knife. I just use this tool to do it. Another one into it. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. This is white vinegar. We add 1 tablespoon white vinegar to it. Any vinegar is okay. You can add the apple cider, either it's okay. This is the chicken soup based mixture. Add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. This is a plain sugar. If you are not diabetic, you can add a half teaspoon. If you're diabetic, just add a pinch of sugar to it. That's all. This is sesame oil and a half teaspoon sesame oil to it. This is Sichuan pepper oil, and we add a half teaspoon to it. Those oil, if you don't have it, you don't need to add it. If you have it, add some. Okay, we mix it. Make it slowly. This is the soy sauce, and add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. And I keep mixing. Try it. It's so good. So homemade salad, this is done, and I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you next time.